Today I'm preparing a dish for Countess Amalia. It was Mr. Cipriani in 1963 in its beautiful Harry's bar going for a challenge. Countess Amalia was told was told by the doctors that she couldn't eat any cooked meat. So Mr. Cipriani prepared the first carpaccio ever. What is carpaccio? It's raw meat, right? With a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. In this case, there is some veggies on top. Anyone can make a carpaccio the way they like it. But the name Carpaccio comes from a painter of the 1400s, his name was Carpaccio, that loved the red and the pink colors. She's talking about that actually. I can't believe I'm here without any wine. Oh.
There is wine.
Oh, we got vino. What vino did you bring? Oh, Sarah brought me some Valtenesi. So, Sarah, do you like to open the bottle of wine while I'm finishing? Wait a minute. While I'm finishing this?
Do you mind if I do my job and you serve the wine?
All right then. Perché no, if you really want this. Here you go. Get your piatto, I get my vino. This is what we've got. Some cherry tomatoes roasted.
Thank you very much. Could you pass me the cheese, please?
Certo, che formaggio, perché no? So, you do what you gotta do, chef, and I do what I gotta do. I crack open a bottle of Valtenesi, which is a beautiful rosé. Valtenesi, for me, is one of the most serious districts about rosé in Italy. Where are we? We are on Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake. We have the mountain, the Alps are over there, but the lake makes this area a Mediterranean area. Now, look at the beautiful label here. Groppello is the main variety. We have a lot of acidity, a little bit of red berry crush, like a red wine, but also together with that there is pomegranate, there is some lemon, citrus crunchiness. I can smell beautiful aromas coming from your dish there. Look at the color here. Now, clear, bright, transparent, very brilliant. That is actually saying I have got a lot of acidity, a lot of juiciness. Yes, some tropical fruit as well. Are you happy about your preparation right now?
Yes, more than you did.
Oh, all right then. Well, you know what? At the end of the day, I like the idea to pair this wine with this food because there is also a chromatic match, right? I wonder what Mr. Carpaccio would have said about this matching, but let's try it first. Oh my gosh, I'm almost ready. So first let me try the wine. Exactly what I was expecting, with a lot of juiciness, like pomegranate juice, like grapefruit. You're good at this.
Thank you.
Is that also, the lemon, right? Lemon is perfect with your carpaccio, remember? Now let's try. Valtenesi Rosé, trust me on this, right? Because the meat is so delicate and the wine is delicate. Then you have the sweetness of the tomatoes and the sweetness of the wine that comes together. What else is there? The Parmigiano or the cheese that is there on top needs some acidity. The lemon juice is complementing the grapefruit acidity of the wine.
Yeah.
I think Mr. Carpaccio would have been really happy, you know?
Let's have one more bite.
I can't believe, this is my job. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.